London Library, just a stone's throw from Helios' office here on St. James's Square. Not only is it a magnificent space, but it's also a very appropriate place for us to take stock on the mission that we set out to achieve many, many years ago, to see how far we've come, and to look ahead to see what the road might bring, and as always, to see what else we could be doing to achieve a mission that is still very near and dear to our hearts. I'm very passionate about Africa, very passionate about Africans, and I've always felt that the most important thing I could do was to contribute to the socio-economic development of the continent. And, there's only one way in which I know how, which is investment. And so the notion was really to channel global capital and expertise into African companies, use that to drive the development and growth of these businesses that provide employment, goods, and services that make people's lives better at prices they can afford. Fundamentally, what we do as an investor is we work with management teams, entrepreneurs, corporate partners, other investors to provide capital, resources, and know-how to companies operating in Africa, which are having a meaningful, sustainable, positive socioeconomic impact on the continent. From these, we derive consistent and attractive investment returns for our investors. And in so doing, we're able to create overall real growth with real impact in Africa. When one thinks of impact, I think typically one immediately gravitates towards, well, what are the portfolio companies doing? But from our perspective, the impact that we have on the continent is actually threefold. I'd say one is capital, expertise, and then the portfolio companies themselves. There's a virtuous cycle to our business. We attract capital from global institutions and invest that capital in African businesses driving core economic growth. We build profitable, socially responsible private enterprises, creating value for shareholders, employees, supply chain, and the wider community. This results in Helios generating consistent investment returns as well as lasting social impact. We've repeated this cycle many times over the last 2 decades across 4 funds and more than 30 portfolio companies. Each cycle has allowed us to refine and improve both returns and the wider impact we're able to have.